Hello everyone, welcome to IS Dushana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Under India Semiconductor Mission 2.0. Target is to expand the scheme to 500 academic institutions. Government of India's initiative for prioritizing talent development through training, upskilling and workforce development program under Chips to Startups initiatives of India Semiconductor Mission, Union Minister for Railways, Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and IT, Ashwini Vaishnav, stated that India has made significant progress in the last 4 years itself for its 10-year target of training 85,000 engineers in semiconductor design. Shri Vaishnav informed that world-class electronic design automation tools being supported by Synopsys, Cadence, Siemens, Renesas, Ansys and AMD have been made available in 315 academic institutions across the country. With the help of these tools, students are getting practical experience on designing semiconductor chips. These chips are being fabricated and tested at the Semiconductor Laboratory, Mohali, giving students hands-on experience across the entire process from design to fabrication, packaging and testing. This initiative has evolved into the world's largest open access EDA program with over 1.85 crore hours of EDA tool usage recorded for chip design training so far and continuing to grow. He further stated that today students from academic institutions across the nation from Assam to Gujarat and from Kashmir to Kanyakumari are actively engaging in semiconductor design. This marks a significant milestone toward India's technological capability and self-reliance. Highlighting global industry requirements, Shri Vaishnav said that as the semiconductor industry grows from the current size of USD 800 to 900 billion to USD 2 trillion, there will be a demand for nearly 2 million skilled professionals. This presents massive employment opportunities for India's youth. He additionally announced that under India Semiconductor Mission 2.0, the program will be expanded from 315 academic institutions to 500 academic institutions. This will help build a strong and continuous pool of trained talent in semiconductor design, fabrication and packaging and testing across every state in the country. Shri Vaishnav reiterated that the Government of India is committed to building a strong and self-reliant ecosystem in the semiconductor sector. Through talent development, infrastructure creation and industry collaboration under India Semiconductor Mission 2.0, India aims to establish itself as a global semiconductor hub. So the next topic for the day is Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Prayojana. In recent years, India has undertaken sustained policy measures to enhance the affordability and accessibility of healthcare. Since medicine constitutes a significant share of household out-of-pocket expenditure, ensuring their availability at reasonable prices is critical to financial protection and equitable access. Branded medicines are often sold at significantly higher prices than their unbranded generic equivalents. Even though they have the same therapeutic value, addressing this disparity requires consistent policy intervention to reduce treatment costs and safeguard access to essential medicines, particularly for economically vulnerable populations. A significant initiative in this direction was to launch of the Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Prayojana. The scheme seeks to provide quality assured generic medicines at significantly lower prices through an expanding network of dedicated Jan Aushadhi Kendras across the country, thereby strengthening the affordability and access to generic pharmaceuticals. Jan Aushadhi Saptah 2026 was launched as a nationwide outreach initiative to promote awareness of affordable quality generic medicines, culminating in the observance of the 8th Janaushadhi Divas On 7th March, as part of the long week program, health checkup camps were organized from 1 to 5th March 2026 at over 250 locations across the country by the Pharmaceuticals and Medical Devices Bureau of India under the Development of Pharmaceuticals Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, aligned with the year's theme Janaushadhi Sasti Bhi, Bharosemand Bhi, Sehat Ki Baat, बचत के साथ. The initiative combines on-site diagnostic services with public engagement activities to enhance awareness about the availability of affordable, quality-assured generic medicines at JAKs. Quality assurance of medicines under PMBJP. So, this is a paragraph given. I have given it already. Read it and understand the concepts and comment below what are your thoughts about this and what are the changes the government can do according to you. And if you have anything to say about this topic, you can comment. First, read this slide properly and then comment below. Okay, this is the homework for you today. So let us end the topic for today. Thank you. Have a very nice day.